Gcoop was founded based upon the belief that more people should be able to buy and use high-quality products that are safe. As a corporation, we pursue new challenges and initiatives based on principles of respect, positivity, communication, and care. Individual lives become happier when all of these individuals come together. We create a better society. Gcoop dreams of a society that walks together. Corporations should positively impact society and work with those around them to grow and move forward. We embrace our core belief of social entrepreneurship in business, and we provide jobs for the socially neglected and practice acts of sharing through donations and various social contributions. As a company that maintains a fair distribution culture by engaging in constant research and efforts, we hope to go beyond South Korea and compete in the global market. General Bio, a top 10 social enterprise certified by B-Lab, produces and supplies more than 150 products including cosmetics, dietary supplements, and home products produced using environment-friendly materials, natural raw materials, and patent technology. Through healthy consumerism and reliable products, we are increasing our global reach beyond South Korea, US, and Taiwan. Regardless of gender, race, age, religion, or background, Gcoop provides a fair and equal business opportunity for everyone. Gcoop offers a competitive financial rewards plan and helps individuals manage their schedules while conducting their business to raise income. Gcoop provides campus centers free of charge and also supports business and product training through these campuses as well. Gcoop campus centers are open for all. Gcoopers around the world achieve financial independence and success in order to bring our vision into fruition. Let us be your partner for success. Gcoop, innovating for a better world and a better you. Global Business Platform, Gcoop.